Hey everyone. Hey, this is for you kids out there. Here's something you can look forward to. Bruxism. Is that how you say it?
No, that's not how you say it.
Well, that's what you can look forward to. And you can talk like this. I think I might do a video of just talking like this. Anyway, 49. Just 49. Okay. Whole thing we call a mouth guard. Can you tell?
You're an idiot.
I know, Jesus. I know I am. Anyway, 49 plus bruxism plus a mouth guard. What's next? Oh, hemorrhoids. Right. Right?
Yes.
You know the nice thing about having Jesus next to you all the time? That he really listens. And he doesn't judge. I think that's in the Bible. Maybe.
Elizabeth, damn it.
Another thing you can look forward to is thinning eyebrows. Now, I've never had a lot of eyebrows in my life, but from my other videos, you can see that I've probably, I use a little liner from L'Oreal. That's in CPF. Maybe all the people who do their get ready with me, I should get ready with me. Here's a get ready with me. Here we go. I mean, Jesus.
Yes.
I have a lot of fun with him. You're a good friend. Jesus, I'm with you. Touch me, Jesus. Jesus, I am on your side. Kiss me, Jesus. Cross one more do you need to convince you that you made it. Okay. It's a little late. I'm tired. Tired of getting older. Bruxism.